Did you know you can easily send models back and forth between ZBrush and other programs using the GoZ plugin? It works like a dream. You can make edits on your model here in ZBrush. Just hit a button and then the other software will receive a new and updated version of your model. You can do that for rendering or any other purposes. Before you can use GoZ, it requires some setup. Go to Preferences and hit the GoZ button all the way at the bottom. You will notice that you do need to set up paths to the softwares that you plan on using with GoZ. All of the softwares that are compatible with GoZ are already in here. For today, I'm going to use Cinema 4D as my example. You can also update all paths at the same time. Once you click the software you want to use, you will see this window pop up. It will ask you which versions of the software you wish to click. You can browse to it if you don't see the right one here, or you can simply select the correct one. Your GoZ controls are very easy to find here in the tool panel. We got GoZ, All, Visible, and R. These four are the buttons you'll be using. The GoZ button will take only the selected subtool to your other application. All will export all of your subtools to the other application, including the ones that are currently hidden. Visible will export all of the subtools that are currently visible to your other application. The R button allows you to reset or change the current GoZ application that you're sending to. I already have Cinema 4D open and ready to go. I'm going to select Visible because I want all of my visible subtools, including horns and eyes, to be exported. And I'm going to hit Continue. In Cinema 4D, nothing will happen at first. I need to go to Extensions, go ZBrush, and hit GoZ Importer. That will automatically import my model. Now I can render it, put it in a scene, do whatever I want to do with it. If I make any funky changes to my model, I can simply hit Visible again, Continue, go back to Cinema 4D, and do the same thing again. Keep in mind that if you're using Polypaint and you don't have UVs, and you haven't turned the Polypaint into textures, it will not automatically be imported as a texture. That is because Polypaint acts like vertex painting in other softwares. If you go up here to the objects list and you click this 4 circle button, you'll be able to see the Polypaint as vertex color. Isn't that interesting? If GoZ doesn't work for you, try updating the paths in the preferences, or update all paths. If that doesn't work, you can try a force-free install, or you can simply close ZBrush in your target software and then run both as administrator. GoZ is here to make your life easier when moving your model between different softwares, so make sure to use it.